Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete Excel sheet. So very simple and basic way to delete Excel sheet. As we can see, we have this file sheet in this Excel workbook. To delete any number of sheet, right click on it and here the option delete. There are some more options like insert, rename, move or copy, view code and some another options. To delete, right click and delete. You will ask permission, so click on delete. That's it. So this is the way you can delete Excel sheet in Windows 10 or 11 or any version. This is the same method to delete Excel sheet. Right click and delete. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.